up, guys? I am here back today. I am about to show you how to get Skittles down faster. I'm just about to show you all the Skittles, all the colors of the Skittles. Here we go. Here is a yellow Skittle. It is lemon. Here is a green Skittle, lime. There's an orange Skittle, which is orange. Here's a purple Skittle, it's grape. Here's a red Skittle. I think it's cherry. Yeah, it's cherry. That is all the Skittles. But I do got some more stuff. And here. Gonna give you a little tour. Just the living room, the dining room, the kitchen, front, the next bedroom. I got some sunflower seeds. I will be eating those in the next video. But right now, I was showing you all the colors of the Skittles. If there's any more Skittles I left out, leave it down in the comments. Please like or subscribe to this video. Bye.